Hi guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we're just going to take a little quick ride up to Xevera, and we're facing a little bit of chance of rain here, so we're doing a quick little motor vlog and we're going to get up there. Alright, that little quick ride there took us through our little neighborhood inside Barangay Dao, and I'm not quite sure what the other barangay we went through. But anyway, we are coming out just at the marina in Dao, and this is MacArthur. So we are heading up to Xevera, and that takes us through Mabalacat and a few other places. Honey, it looks like it might be raining up there.
Yeah. You see the black clouds?
Oh yeah, that is ready to pour down, I bet you.
Yeah.
We'll see if we get there before the rain comes down. Alright, so here to our left we have, is it called St. Raphael Hospital?
Yeah, St. Raphael Hospital.
And that's where our little nephew was born.
That's where I...
St. Andoer, and that's where you were also when you were in the hospital.
Yeah.
So up here to the left we will also see the hypermarket. A lot of foreigners go there to do their shopping, either in the mall, as the mall has a hypermarket. This is the one I go to. It's nice, convenient, no problem with parking. Everything is very easy accessible up here. Up here to the right you have actually the motorcycle dealer. Motor Trade, yeah, it's coming up here. It's right there to the right. You see, yeah, Motor Trade, and on the left
is a hypermarket.
They have a little bit of foreigner specialties there. You can get some good cheeses, some other good stuff.
Yeah, especially on when you do a salad.
All right, here we are coming into, what is it called? Mabiga. It's a part of Mabalacat. There's a lot of people living up in this particular area. They have a couple of good, really barbecue places down there.
Yes, I agree.
We go there. I bought a couple of times. I ate there with, what's his name?
Our friends.
Gerald, our former landlord.
Oh, this the right side is the one that we ate. that like a
Right there, yeah.
Carinderia.
Carinderia, and at nighttime they're doing really excellent barbecue, lechon manok, and a lot of other things.
Yeah, I think the rain is. I feel the raindrops already.
Yeah, we can feel some raindrops here. We are coming up also here. This is where the Mabalacat water district is and all that. We're going to pass that here in a minute.
Yeah, and the left side also is the cemetery.
There, yeah,
That's a cemetery.
Cemetery for regular people. It's not a military cemetery.
No.
I think it's just a graveyard. Yeah, it's starting getting a little wet here, and
The
rain is coming.
Yeah.
Harder and harder, and I feel it hit my face and start hitting the camera here too. I can see the lenses getting wet. The good thing is the camera is has a watertight casing. I'm using a sports camera that has a watertight casing, so that's a good thing. Oh boy. It's starting raining really hard here, so
Yeah.
I think we need to try to maybe get off the road here. We're going to get soaking wet.
Yeah, we need to find a spot to cover.
Yeah. All right, so here we're coming up. We're passing the water station here. I think we can stop there somewhere and get a little break from the rain. Right there is the water.
Water district.
Water district. That's where we go and pay our bills. Actually, we don't. We did in the beginning. We don't anymore. Down here in Barangay Idaho, we have a company that accepts payment for them. So we normally go there. Boy, it's been raining. We got to get underneath the roof here. There are several other guys already sitting here waiting for the rain to go away. This is normally I would say, a normal 15-minute ride. Today it looks like it's going to take us half an hour, 45 minutes to get up there because of the rain.
Yeah.
It stopped for a little bit here, so we're going to take off again and go. Some of these Filipinos are in a hurry. Sometimes I think they're in a hurry to get killed for some reason. They don't leave you enough space on the sides. They come up on you. The other day I had a guy came so tight he hit my steering. And they're a little crazy, these little kids, especially the younger ones. The older guys are doing a good job, but these kids are driving like there is no tomorrow for them. All right, so this is also part of Mabalacat. This is taking us up to through this area, and we're getting up across the bridge. I don't remember what the barangay in here. There's a barangay behind here. I don't remember the name of it, but there's several thousand people living in this particular area. The traffic is slowing down. I'm getting impatient when with all these jeepneys and stuff when I'm driving. They have a tendency to stay in the left lane, and when they feel like it, they can just cut you right off and go and pick up a passenger. I always complain about the traffic culture here. Seems like they have been taught to stay in the left lane when they're going to make a right turn, and stay in the right lane when they're going to make a left turn. I don't know what the thoughts are behind that. That's another thing, you know, you have to be really, really, really aware when you're driving here. Um, it is very, very often it happens. You meet people coming in your lane, going the wrong direction, and it's been a couple of close calls for me.
Oh, that one is pure gold.
Yeah, pure gold. Yeah, we're coming up here. This is the downtown. I think this is the actual downtown district of
Mabalacat.
Mabalacat, right? And we have coming up here on the left, we have the public market here.
Yeah.
And I think also if you live in Mabalacat, the post office is up this way. So you come up and go to the post office up this way if you need to mail something off. It's starting to rain pretty hard here again. So we're going to push forward. We have about 4 more kilometers to go, and we're going to push forward. And hopefully we can get there before we get all soaked. We're almost up there by the bridge. What's that bridge called? Do you know that one? Do you have any idea?
No, I don't know what the
Right.
bridge mean.
But it's raining. Now it's starting raining really hard again here. We're coming up to the expressway. We're going under the expressway here. And I think we're going to have to stop here and just...
Yeah, I'm wet already.
Yep, we're soaking wet.
My jacket is wet.
Soaking wet.
It's soaking wet.
All right, so let's take a little break here and see if the rain stops. I got to move out. The rain is still coming down on us here.
Yeah, and there's a lot of bikers also. Trikes. It's under the bridge. It's because it's raining.
All right, let's move up here a little bit, see if we can't get a lot of protection. There you go.
Yeah.
It feels a little better. Yeah, that's very common here, you know, when it rains and people don't have raincoats and other stuff, they fill up the parking space underneath the bridges and stuff to get out of the rain for a little bit. So how are you doing? Are you wet?
Yeah, I'm wet.
Alright. Alright, well, we don't have very far to go. let's just try to make a run for it. It's still raining a little bit. Let's just make a run for it so we get up there. We're actually going to see Janice's parents and sisters and the little nephew for a little bit. We are going to make a run for it.
Yeah, because it's not very far.
No, it should just be a couple of minutes, or well, maybe four minutes to get up there.
Yeah.
This is one of the first bridges here that you come over. Once you get over this bridge we're coming off on here right now, Xevera is right to the left. If you continue straight forward, you are coming into the Tarlac region fairly quickly. And what is it called? Banban? Banban. It's where they have the Grotto, Lady of Lourdes, and I think we had made a couple of videos of that before, so I'll see if I can't slap one of those links up here in the information. Okay, we're almost there, and this is the main entrance into Xevera.
Yeah.
So let's go here and try to hurry up.
Because the rain is so bad.
Yeah, it's really bad. And we didn't take any clothes with us, so we have no dry clothes.
Because we thought that it's not gonna be raining.
Be much rain,
Yeah.
I know. But it is raining. It's been extremely hot here over the last few weeks, and the heat has just built up, and in the afternoons we get the rain and high humidity. I don't know the exact percentage, but if I would take a guess, it's between 60 and 80%
Yeah.
humidity, and it's been really crazy. All right, guys, we are now arriving in Xevera, and we are going to conclude this little video as we finish off the last couple of turns here. And thank you for watching. If you like our videos, hit that subscribe button. Also, don't hesitate to give us a comment. If there's anything you don't like, hit the thumbs down. But do me a favor, when you hit the thumbs down, just hit the comment box and tell me why you don't like it.
Yeah.
God bless, and bye-bye.